There are certainly areas of high crime in Europe, as there are in the United States and other countries.
No-Go Zone.
I'm Mike Fiorellino. I am the creator and the host of NoGoZones.com. It's part social experiment, part travel documentary. What I do is I travel to places that no one else wants to go to, places that the media tells us to be scared of. But I go discover that it's not usually as scary as the media makes it out to be. What is a no-go zone? A no-go zone is an area that usually mainstream media designates as a place that tourists or the average person should not travel to.
In the U.S., no-go zones are a common topic.
To be clear, there is no formal designation of these zones in either country. There are certainly areas of high crime in Europe, as there are in the United States and other countries.
I think that's dangerous. I think it's dangerous in America. I think it's dangerous in Europe.
These neighborhoods that you're talking about, these so-called no-go zones, are they in London? Are they in Birmingham? Are they in other cities? Have you spoken?
But I go there. One thing I've learned in life is that mainstream media usually has a narrative. They're trying to sell you, whether it's political or social point of view, and nothing sells like fear. Fear sells fast and it travels quickly. So what the media usually does to create a story, they try to make an area that's worse out than they make it out to be, and by exaggerating and by only publishing the bad side of it. What I do is I go there myself with no agenda and just record exactly what the average person sees. That the Hunts Point neighborhood still hasn't gentrified yet, so I decided to take a walk around. And just like that, I walked around all by myself. Absolutely nothing happened to me. But this is the part of the lower Ninth Ward that no one sees, that the media doesn't cover. And so far it's been good. So far I haven't had any issues yet, nothing crazy, and we'll see how it goes. How many episodes do we have? We have 6 episodes so far, the last one being filmed in the country of Syria. A very intense place, but it's probably one of the most surprising episodes I've ever recorded and probably the most compelling place I've ever been to. If you like what I'm doing, then check out the videos below in the link. And if you want to see more material, please hit like and subscribe.